What I get in a week of PR? Let's get into it. Smaller packages first. It's a bunch of fancy. Ooh, it's a mix of skin and makeup goodies. Revolution. What we got here? Skin blur in a bottle. Oh, so I've got 3 of the skin tints. This one's a bit heavy. L'Oreal. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's face serum, eye serum, SPF, moisturizer, and a face mask. Hit the like button if you love skincare. Okay, moving on to some of the smaller boxes. Ciate London. I've just made a mess everywhere and I'm gonna have to clean it up. So it's an eye primer and serum and 2 brightening under eye protectors. Exfoliating body serum.
Wow.
Here's how it looks. It's Be Perfect. Ooh. Ekansu Radiant Liquid Blush. And a little brush to go with it. Oh. Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, got some of the Magic Water Cream. And Flawless Filter. Oh, I've been wanting to try this. I've not tried either of them yet. Yay! The Metamorphic Eyeshadow Palette. It's actually really pretty. Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow. And there's also this. I don't know if it's like a bath bomb or chocolate. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's one of those like hot chocolate balls. Good thing I didn't throw it in my bath thinking it's a bath bomb. Anissa Beauty. Oh, look guys. I could definitely use this for like putting my brushes in. Ooh, a bunch of brushes. Got the whole Pinnacle family here. Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's the Dewy Setting Spray, foundation, concealer, brow gel, brow pen, brow pencil, brow pomade, and brow brushes. And then we also have Fall Romance Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, it matches my eyeshadow, kind of. Next is Revolution. Okay. Got an SFX paint palette, black liquid lipstick and lip liner, liquid eyeliners. How cool does this lip oil look? It looks like some type of test tube with blood in it. And then this eyeshadow palette and it's got image shifting on it. Ta-da! Oh, okay, now for the big boxes. Oh my gosh, guys, it's Mehron. It's their Paradise Paint palette. I'm so happy right now. And then there's this black box covered in cobwebs. Open if you dare. Oh my gosh. Ew, there's like fake bugs in there. Look at them, they look so realistic. A palette and spatula. Neon UV Glow Paint palette. And I've actually got one of these already. Scar Wax in light, medium and dark. Bruise Wheel, I have one of those already too. A few different kinds of fake blood. Cream paint sticks. I think this is another glow in the dark one. Metallic powders, latex, fake sweat and tears, scarring liquid, mixing liquid, toner, setting spray. And then last of is this. I think it's like a brush holder with a Mehron towel and some brushes. Nice. No wonder the box was so heavy. Stop it. Oh my gosh, are you guys seeing this? It's a box full of Tarte makeup. There's way too much for me to try and show everything, but I got a bunch of eyeshadow palettes. Foundation, BB cream, concealer. I don't know if this was a mistake or if they're just trying to make sure I'm stocked up for life. I've got 8 of the same shade foundation. Primer, contour, blushes, highlighter, powders, bronzer, some skincare, oil, moisturizer, eye cream, primer, mascaras, eyeliners, and a whole bunch of lip products, lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses. Oh, and a sponge, powder puff, and some brushes. That's everything, guys. Thanks for watching.